Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pair T111 paging system. Use the pager to pair with the keypad. Okay, first you need to take off the plastic sticker and the logo paper. Okay, you can find here has two buttons on the pager. Find a pin near you, and this one is set button and this one is mode button. Okay, we press set button and you will find the red light is on and you need to press number 1 on the keypad. Okay, you can also hear the beep sound from pager. It means you pair the pager successfully. Now let's check whether it works. Press number 1 and it will have the flashing lights and vibration. Okay, you can press the button here to stop. If you want to change the mode, just press the mode button while the pager in the standby mode. Press it and it will go into beep sound. Let's try to call number 1 again. Yes, it will have flashing lights, beep sound, and vibration. If you want to change it back, just press the mode here. It only has the beep sound, but has no vibration. Let's set it back to vibration mode. Yes, it only have the vibration. Okay, you can, when you set it all down, just take all the paper and sticker back to the place. And you can have another pager to match. Take off the plastic sticker and the logo paper. Find the set key, the left one. Press the set key and find the red light keep on. Press the number you want, number 2, yes. You can also hear the beep sound while you pair it. It means you paired successfully. Now let's check it. Okay, number 2 has the flashing lights, vibration and beep sound. You can press here to stop. Okay, if you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you for watching.